Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks. At the first I will talk about the settings, features that we can find in the settings, and after that about things that we can find in the modes. So at the first, let's open the settings, and as you can see when we are here, we can quickly activate scan QR codes. So when you tap right here, and after that when you go for the photo mode and put in front of your camera QR code, it will be scanned automatically, so you can open it, copy or share. In the settings we can also find option called Save Selfie as Preview. So if you are in the front camera and we are taking the selfie, you can save that selfie like it looks on the screen. But I mean, it's called the mirror effect. So if you want to activate the mirror effect, you can just tap here. If you want to get rid of that, just click here another time. We can also quickly apply video stabilization, improve video stabilization on our videos by simply clicking on the switcher. When we are here, we can also activate the grid lines. So when we go back, as you can see right now, the grid lines appears on the screen. And right now we are able to make better composition on our photos. We can also add location tags on the photos. So when we enable the switcher, then click OK and activate location. And when we take a photo and then go for the details on the photo, we will get exact location where the photo was taken. When we go for the shutting methods, we can, for example, add floating shutter button. So take a look right now. There's additional button that we can use like any other shutter. So we click and we can take photo, as you can see. With both buttons, when you want to remove it, just put it here. In the shutting methods, we can also change volume key function, so we can go for the zoom, for example. Right now, when you press volume down or volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in, as you can see, or just zoom out like that to the 10 times. We can also add watermarks to our photo by tapping on the switcher. So take a look, when you take photo, there we get on the left bottom corner that mark. Take a look. Take a look on the left bottom corner. Here we have the shot with my Galaxy A12s mark. Maybe it's not the best example because here I got in the white background, but I will show you how it looks on my hand. There it is. Right now it looks definitely better. Okay, and I think that's all from the settings. When you are in the photo mode, we can simply add timer to the photo by clicking here and then choosing 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for the 2 and then take photo. After 2 seconds, the photo will be taken. When you click on the screen, you can adjust brightness level on your photo by moving this sun icon on the left or the right. The same thing you can make when you are in the video mode. As you can see, when you are in the more modes, we can find slow motion, hyperlapse. When you are in the hyperlapse, you can, for example, change speed of the hyperlapse for 4x, 8x, 16 or 32, just like that. You can also find here the pro mode. If you don't know how to use that mode, you can also find additional video on our channel, but here we can adjust ISO, white balance, EV and also focus. And I think that's all from the interesting options that you can find in the smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.